more buyers are flocking to Bocaue for their fireworks needs. Many appear to heed appeals to avoid dangerous firecrackers. This report.
A few days before the New Year, enthusiasts are trooping to Bocaue, Bulacan to buy their fireworks. Buyers no longer line up for the Super Lolo and Goodbye Philippines from their favorite fireworks vendors. From the loud sound of the whistle bomb and Bin Laden, crackling fireworks are the new favorite of fireworks enthusiasts. They say they prefer these fireworks because it is safe even for the children.
Crackling siya na watusin na iba-ibang kulay niya. Hindi ka mukha nung dati na silver lang at saka gold siya. Ito kasi yung, tapos meron kami na 1 minute talaga siya na isang minuto talaga ang tinatagal ng counting niya.
Ma'am, hindi ito delikado?
Hindi naman siya bumabaksak pagka sinisindihan. Talaga nakatayo pa rin siya pagka hanggang sa matapos, tayo pa rin siya.
Mang Nicanor, a former seaman, traveled all his way to Bocaue just to buy crackling fireworks for his grandchildren.
Para doon sa mga apo ko, siyempre, safe yung pailaw di ba?
So hindi na tayo dun sa delikado?
Mahirap. Delikado Mahal ko yung mga apo ko
If you buy here in Bocaue, you will notice the no testing signs around. In fact, some vendors use television to showcase the different kinds of fireworks they sell. This is the new policy of the local government of Bulacan to prevent accidental explosion and fire, especially for the fireworks stalls located just across a gasoline station.
Kasi bawal yan Mamaya yan pa ang magindela ng pagkasunog dyan dito sa atin. Kaya kailangan sumunod na lang tayo sa mga pinag-uutos na bawal ang magpa-testing dito.
Each fireworks stall is required to have a bottle of water ready in the event fire breaks out. There are also a number of fire trucks on standby for such possibility. The new policy also bans smoking, even if you are a vendor, buyer, or just a bystander. And if you won't obey this, violators will be fined accordingly. For People's Television, Perceline Pialago.